Under the shadow of glorious architecture, in Minneapolis, a city of lakes is a dream come true. Let's treasure it. Welcome to Yugo Minneapolis Sydney Hall, your next home in Minneapolis. Nestled in the heart of the city, it offers shared and private apartments as well as studios with everything you might need and more. Stepping into your breezy, well-lit room greets you with a plush bed, a special study area, and a large wardrobe, all made more comfortable by the air conditioning. Cook your mom's recipes in the well-equipped kitchen. Experience ultimate relaxation in a luxurious rainfall shower bathroom. Moreover, you can create a lifetime of memories with your friends in the TV lounge, clubhouse, pool tables, and coffee bar, and don't forget to take a sweat break in the gym. Speaking of the location, it is incredibly convenient. With the University of Minnesota being just 12 minutes of walk away, it abounds an array of eateries and shopping complexes stone's throw away. McDonald's in 2 minutes, Bordertown Coffee in 3, and much more. Each street comprises bus stops connecting you to the entire city. On foot or on 4 wheels, explore the city of lakes with every ease. Minneapolis is waiting for you with an undeniable adventure. Reserve your home today at amberstudent.com and get ready for an extraordinary journey.